GELLER New York Spackle Primer Hydrate Supersized 2 Fluid Ounces Hyaluronic Acid Makeup Primer for Mature Skin. Hydrate 2-in-1 Moisturizer and Makeup Primer. Farewell, dry, flaky skin. Create a smooth canvas for improved foundation application and wear, and keep your face feeling fresh all day. Wear it with or without makeup. Lightweight non-greasy gripping formula. The lightweight, non-greasy formula hydrates and preps skin for a smooth brightened complexion. Formulated with good-for-you ingredients, featuring a blend of hyaluronic acid, glycerin and antioxidant botanical ingredients, this nourishing formula brightens and replenishes skin for a healthier, suppler complexion. Perfect for dry to normal skin types, free of synthetic fragrance, parabens, phthalates. Cruelty-free. Clear formula can be worn with or without makeup. Even mature skin will be able to achieve perfect skin texture in a flash with these hardworking primers, which have earned the National Psoriasis Foundation seal of recognition. Easy to apply. Add 1 to 2 pumps on the back of your hand. Blend a thin layer onto clean skin before makeup application. For best results, allow the formula to dry for about 1 minute to fully absorb before applying the rest of your makeup. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.